Shop floors are changing in a lot of different ways, and honestly, there are a lot of different answers to this particular question. Probably the single biggest is the intelligence that's being brought in through automation, through the different tools that are available, ERP systems, MES, manufacturing execution systems, data collection, the ability to assimilate data, analyze data, provide feedback in a much quicker time period than previously has ever happened before. The timeliness of everything that happens on the shop floor has been condensed to the point where they aren't necessarily real time, but they're getting closer and closer to a real time environment. Today, automation has really given us the ability to collect that data directly from either the equipment or an MES tool. Transactions happen nearly real time, almost immediately. Reporting is always instantaneous as soon as that data is captured. So lots of changes just in terms of the response that happens with all of the activities on the shop floor. With this automation, we're pulling activity, we're pulling the manufacturing processes as it moves along directly into to SAP through our MES system. And all of these manual transactions are now automated. So from a solving problem standpoint, our data that's in the system, in particular, is just much more accurate. It's much more reliable. We've seen tremendous improvements on inventory accuracies. We've seen improvements as a result in our cycle counting and physical inventories. The connectivity allows us the ability to collect data, assimilate data, and evaluate the data much quicker, allowing us to manage the shop floor much timelier, much more proactively instead of reactively, and it gives us the ability to maintain a higher level of OEE on our equipment that just wasn't possible prior to this automation. There are a lot of times where the Capgemini team gave us direction, gave us insight into either best practices or solutions that would work best for our particular situation. Probably the single biggest thing they've delivered for us preparing for the future is the development of MII. MII being the tool that allows us to communicate all the way from the lowest levels of the shop floor directly from equipment or to MES tools or to really any other tool that in the future we may choose through MII directly to SAP. That development and that effort developing that particular solution, I think long term is going to pay huge dividends for us.